Harley here with Teleprompter Mirror. Today I'm going to be showing you how to quickly assemble your presidential teleprompter. First we'll start with the base, which is really light, only 10 pounds, great for traveling. We'll start at the lowest knob. You'll have to push your fingers in between the legs to get it to come out. Tighten the knob. First easy step. Make sure this one just expands more for more height. So this can go up to 8 feet. I'm not that tall, so I won't need to adjust all of these knobs. This one does the same thing, so we'll tighten that one. Tighten pretty much at a 90-degree angle. This is for the stand where your monitor will sit. There's that. And then next would be the mirror clip. This one's easy. Gonna have to apply some pressure when turning it. This one is also adjustable for height. Tighten that one. And then I always like to make sure that this is flush with the clip so that way the mirror is protected. This one on next. This is a stand. I think the easiest way is make sure these are facing the stand. And then place that on. And you're going to pull it around, turn the steering wheel. Here's the stand. Last but not least is the beam splitter. I like to lean it back a little bit, just so it's supported while I have one hand. There's that. Alright guys, that's a wrap. This is Harley from Teleprompter Mirror. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment or shoot me an email.